Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory. I'm your host, guiding you through the labyrinth of the crypto market. It's an electrifying world of digital currencies where volatility is the norm and fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. The potential for both risks and rewards is immense, and it requires a discerning eye to navigate. Today we turn our focus to Avalanche, or AVAX, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves recently. It's shown signs of exhaustion near a crucial resistance area, suggesting a potential shift in its price trajectory. Despite recent milestones, there are indications of a bearish divergence, which could lead to further downside. But remember, in the roller coaster ride that is the crypto market, what goes down often comes back up. As we dive deeper, remember that the crypto market is a territory of calculated risks and high rewards. Let's navigate it wisely. Now let's turn our attention to Avalanche, or AVAX, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves recently. This digital asset has been the talk of the crypto town, with its price showing some interesting movements. Currently, the price of AVAX is dancing between $45 and $50. Quite a spectacle, isn't it? But what does this mean for AVAX? Well, it's approaching what we call a resistance area. This is a crucial threshold in price that the asset is struggling to go beyond. Think of it as a ceiling that's tough to break through. Now, AVAX is showing signs of what we call exhaustion near this resistance area. The term might sound a bit dramatic, but it's actually quite simple. It means that the buying pressure that was pushing the price up is starting to wane, and the asset is running out of steam. Why is this significant? Well, in the world of investing, these signs of exhaustion often hint at a potential shift in the price direction. It's like a marathon runner that's been leading the race but is now starting to slow down. It doesn't necessarily mean they'll lose, but it does signal they might need a breather. In the case of AVAX, this exhaustion at the resistance area could be a suggestion that the asset's price might be preparing for a change in direction. It's like a pendulum that swung one way and now might be getting ready to swing back the other way. But remember, the crypto market is a wild beast, unpredictable and full of surprises. So while these signs might hint at a potential price correction, it's never a guarantee. As always, the market will have the final say, and only time will reveal the true trajectory of AVAX's price. Could this be a suggestion of a potential correction in AVAX's price trajectory? Time will tell. In the world of crypto investing, it's crucial to keep an eye on key indicators. Now let's talk about these indicators, specifically the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Awesome Oscillator, or AO. These tools are crucial for investors as they provide a snapshot of market conditions and can help predict future trends. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It fluctuates between 0 and 100, with levels above 70 considered overbought and levels below 30 viewed as oversold. Right now, the RSI for Avalanche, or AVAX, is showing signs of exhaustion. This could suggest that AVAX is overbought and a correction might be on the horizon. On the other hand, the Awesome Oscillator is a technical indicator used to measure market momentum. It calculates the difference of a 34-period and a 5-period simple moving averages. The main goal of the AO is to identify whether bullish or bearish forces are driving the market. For AVAX, the AO is indicating a bearish divergence, suggesting the possibility of a future decline. Bearish divergence occurs when the price of an asset is moving upwards, but the indicator in this case, the AO, is moving downwards. This divergence is a signal that the upward trend is weakening, and a price drop may be imminent. But here's the thing about crypto investing. A potential decline doesn't necessarily spell disaster. In fact, it could present an opportunity. Experienced investors often see these downward trends as chances to buy in at lower prices, capitalizing on the eventual upswing. Remember, indicators like the RSI and AO are tools to aid your investment decisions. They can provide valuable insights, but they are not foolproof. Always consider multiple factors when making your investment decisions. These indicators are suggesting a potential decline, but as seasoned investors know, decline often presents opportunity. Speaking of opportunity, let's look at the potential accumulation zones for AVAX. In the fluctuating world of crypto, knowing when to buy can be the difference between a profitable investment and a costly mistake. It's all about timing, and right now, AVAX is showing us some interesting signs. First, we have an accumulation zone that's around 5 to 10% below the current level. Now, this suggests that if AVAX's price dips into this zone, it could trigger buying pressure. We've seen it before. Investors see the dip as a bargain, they start buying, and this demand can push the price back up. It's a classic play in the crypto market, and one that has the potential to be a profitable strategy for AVAX. But what if the price doesn't rebound? What if it continues to decline? Well, that's where our potential support levels come into play. These are the prices at which we expect a lot of buying activity to kick in, propping up the price. For AVAX, these levels are at $40 and $28. If the price reaches these levels, it could be a signal of market weakness, yes, but it could also present an even greater buying opportunity. However, it's important to remember that these are just potential scenarios. The crypto market is unpredictable, and while we can use indicators and trends to make educated guesses, there are no guarantees. The key is to stay informed, keep an eye on the market, and make decisions based on a combination of research and instinct. Remember, in the crypto market, sometimes a fall is just the run-up to a leap. As we conclude our analysis of AVAX, it's clear that the crypto market is as dynamic as ever. We've seen how Avalanche's performance is showing signs of exhaustion near a crucial resistance area. This suggests a potential correction in its price trajectory, and it's something all traders should monitor closely. The indicators we've examined, like the Relative Strength Index and Awesome Oscillator, are showing a bearish divergence. This might lead to further downside, adding to the potential correction in AVAX's price. But remember, these indicators aren't predictions. They're tools to help us understand the market's mood. We've also discussed potential buying opportunities. With AVAX's price fluctuating between $45 and $50, the first accumulation zone is around 5 to 10% below the current level. A decline towards this zone could trigger buying pressure, potentially breaking through resistance levels. However, we must also be prepared for a continued decline, which could signal market weakness. In that case, potential support levels at $40 and $28 could come into play. Whether AVAX will break through resistance levels or signal market weakness, only time will tell. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and as always, navigate the crypto market wisely. Thank you for joining us in the Make Money territory.